All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and children's. Look at this. I got myself a GPU Waterblock and a GPU. Cool, huh? This is the. If you saw my unboxing, this is the Alpha Icecool, by OC Cool or something like that. I'm sorry, I'm bad with English language apparently. Comes with all these pre-cut pieces. This seems like a really nice kit comparatively to some of the other kits I've bought in the past. I'll be the first to admit that this seems like a pretty dope kit. Only 130 bucks, which I think is roughly what I paid for other kits that were like the Biski or whatever that brand is. Waterblocks. This seems like a pretty nice kit. I've never installed an EK one, so I guess I don't know what theirs are really like. I've taken one apart before that was pre-built on a 1070, cleaned it and stuff. And honestly, it's like this one seems pretty nice. Guys, I almost forgot a thermal pad, boys. Cool. That should be that. I guess install. It's like this bracket is gonna overhang, so. Oh, wow. Alright, so this has to come off. So now this has to come off? Okay. See how this is like way more difficult than I thought it was gonna be? Apparently I was right. You know, it'd be cool if you could like plug these into the card. Someone invent that really fast. I guess that looks right. Oh no. Wait, what is this? Alright, apparently I used the wrong thermal pads. Yeah, I don't know how that happened. I didn't realize that there's two different sizes. I don't know why. Okay. Sorry, I haven't really talked much. I'm just kind of concentrating big time. So, apparently, the other thermal pads are for the back. That's pretty neat. So this back plate is going to be doing its own job. Kind of exciting, huh? This is way more tedious than I thought it was going to be, my friends. Oh my god. Okay. Good lord, this is so tedious. Oh. Is it done, you guys? Is it freaking done? Alright, I think it's done, fellas. It looks legit. Oh, how long is this video? 25 minutes. That's how long this took me to do, apparently. What a nightmare. That was fun. It's done, guys. You guys. So, good lord. That was a pain in the ass. I want to confirm that these are G-Unit order. Okay. Cool. Okay, it's done. Again, if you're new here, make sure you consider subscribing because in a separate video, I will be installing this into the PC. Shit. I forgot a thermal pad, boys. I'm doing that off camera. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, dislike if you disliked it because I forget to do things properly. Otherwise, stay tuned to the channel for the water cooling in the 1000D with this card. Thank you for watching.